Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can create a voice agent using n8n. Now, in order to actually do so, you do need another application which will handle the voice part. There is no direct way to communicate via voice like there is when you can use the chat pop-up. So for this, we're going to be using 11 Labs, but there are other platforms you can use. Anything that is able to use a tool call via an API, or you can even use WhatsApp if you really wanted to. So let's just go ahead, and I just created a very simple agent, and the goal of this is just to be able to send an email. So I'm just going to go ahead, test this agent, and let's call
Hey
it.
there, I'm Alexis from 11 Labs Support. How can I help you today?
Yes, hi, can I send an email today?
Yes, I can help with that. What's the content of the email you'd like to send, and who should I address it to?
Yes, I want to send an email to David, and I want to ask him if he has time next week to go golfing.
Got it. So the email will be addressed to David, and the body of the email will ask him if he's available to go golfing next week. Is that right?
Yep, that's perfect.
Great. Just to confirm, the email will be sent to David, and the content will ask if he's free to go golfing next week. Shall I send it off?
Yes.
All right, I've sent the email to David. Anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that's perfect.
Happy I could help with sending the email.
All right.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye. Okay, so I had to quickly check to make sure this was working, but first let's just go over it one by one. So in order for us to actually be able to send an email or communicate with the n8n agent, we have to go back over here, and there's a tool that we create which just basically sends information via a webhook. So let's go over here. So this is the, I guess you could say, the body that is sent to our agent. So there's only two parameters that we have here. The one was the email body, and then two is the name of the person. So I just sent over the name. How does it know what email to send? Well, I just have a very simple example of a CRM here that uses a Google Sheet. So for example, I just have a couple of made-up names over here and a couple of made-up emails. So what I tell the n8n agent is, well, I'll let you look at the prompt quickly here, but basically I tell it that once it has received the name of the person, it must go through our CRM, and it must get the email of the person from the CRM. Then it will then use the Gmail tool that we have over here to basically formulate or create the email and input the email that was retrieved from our CRM. The last thing I guess we need to do is, why don't we check our email here? Well, you can see if I click on this that we have the email from the CRM, and it asks, are you free to go golfing next week? So this is just quickly how you can set up an voice agent using n8n. Like I said, you do need to be able to hook it up to an actual voice platform. However, this is how you can very simply do it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.